Did you know people are making money with this new trend? They are making $5,000 and over $10,000. You may also can earn over $10,000 with this method. You just need only internet connected laptop or smartphone. You need to follow my all steps, so I request to you don't skip any part of my video. So let's get started. The first step is to visit Google. Perform a search for Google Trends. Choose the top ranking page that appears and click on it. It will direct you to the Google Trends homepage, where you can see what's popular right now in your own country, other countries, and even the entire world. You just type any topic in this file and Google will display the current popularity of that topic. Type Andrew Tate into the search bar and click on Enter button. You will be taken to this page where you can see that Andrew Tate had a very high August trend. His search traffic has risen once again. This is the good opportunity to generate significant revenue. I know that some of you dislike him and other like Andrew Tate. You may still make a lot of money and enter our situation. You also can type your comments below why you like him or don't like him at all. And according to the Vidic tool for keyword research, Andrew Tate was searched 25 million times in the past month alone. A sizable untapped market exists where this trend can be profitable. And the second step is visit on YouTube and search Andrew Tate, and as you can see, a YouTube Shorts video is a top result, and it was only posted 20 years ago and already has a top spot for this topic. This is the power of YouTube Shorts. Even if you scroll down a little, there will be another Shorts video ranking for this keyword. And as you scroll down more, there will be many more Shorts videos ranking. The majority of these long videos receive millions of views, 2 million, 6 million, and so forth. Additionally, YouTube Shorts are receiving over 2 million, 3 million, and even 6 million views. Now, if you look closely, you will see the long-form content was receiving millions of views, since the channels that posted these videos are well-established channels with over 4,000, 500,000, and even more over 3 million subscribers. The shorts that received millions of views, on the other hand, proposed on channels with just 40,000, 60,000, and even 6,000 subscribers. This demonstrates YouTube Shorts' strength and promise. Now I'll show you how to improve your shorts in this video so you can use them to get millions of views. Now the next step is to access the YouTube Shorts channels that are showing up for the term Andrew Tate. You can open up channels like Creator Tate and Tate Society and watch some of their shorts videos. I hope you may understand how they operate by looking at the tags, titles, and shorts videos that are performing well and receiving millions of views. Once you've seen this shorts, return to the shorts section and click on popular option here. Here you will find all the channel's most watched shorts. Just click here and copy the URL for the short video. Simply visit YouTube Shorts Downloader.com. After that, you can download shorts from the YouTube with the help of this website. Simply paste the URL you copied into this box, and next to it the video will start downloading to your device. Step 4, to visit ClickBank.com and sign up for free account. ClickBank is a best affiliate marketplace where you can obtain affiliate links for a variety of physical and digital products. If ClickBank is not available in your country, so don't worry, I will show you another affiliate platform shortly. However, if you have ClickBank account and sign in and head over to the affiliate marketplace, you can choose from a wide variety of digital and physical products on the affiliate marketplace, and you'll be paid each time someone makes a purchase using your affiliate link. You only need to type paid social media jobs into the search box and click on enter to access the best affiliate product that I have already done the search for. You now get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube will be displayed to promote on your shorts YouTube channel. This is one of the greatest deals. As you can see, this offer has 300 gravity, which indicates the number of people promoting this product and experiencing success. In general, a gravity of above 30 is seen as favorable. This offer has been available for over 12 years and is still highly well liked. I have observed a lot of creators advertising this deal and earning over $1,000 per month. You'll receive $23 from this deal in the initial conversion, which doesn't sound appealing, but however, you will be directed to its official affiliate website. If you click on affiliate page over here, you can see that if a person purchases this item, they will be presented an additional offer that is an upsell of $97.67. If you scroll down a little till you see this upsell flow chart here, $357 and $37 upsell offers will be shown. The last upsell offer of $37 will be displayed whether the person accepts or rejects the offer. Now, in each of these cases, in addition to the initial $23 commission, you will also receive a 75% commission on the price of each upsell stated in the flow. You'll receive a recurring commission of $48 for each customer who uses your affiliate link to purchase the product. To create your hop link, commonly known as an affiliate link, for this offer, click the affiliate button, input your ClickBank username, and then click Create. The second affiliate marketplace is Warrior Plus. Additionally, this is among the top affiliate marketplace and it is accessible in most countries. You can utilize Warrior Plus if ClickBank is unavailable in your country. Now, by clicking here or here in the top right corner, you can register for free on this page. This is what your dashboard will look like once you log into your account. Now pick offers from the affiliate column by moving your mouse over it. You can choose Browse Other Offers with your release dates and other statistics by scrolling down to the next page. Any product you want to promote can be chosen here, but it must have a conversion rate of more than 12%, a refund rate of less than 5%, and an average sale of more than $15. TV Profits is the item I selected for this method. On November 7, 2022, this deal was made public, and since then more than 1,000 of people have purchased it. Its 29% conversion rate and 3% refund rate are both fantastic. This offer makes an average transaction of $45 and has a visitor value of more than $9, meaning that for every person we refer to it, we can earn $9.84. This offer's gravity is 74%, which is another positive aspect. You must submit a request to the owner of this offer outlining why you are suitable fit for promoting this deal before you can begin to promote it. You could say something like, I have a list of 150 individuals who are interested in earning money online and I want to market it to them. Or I have a YouTube channel with an audience that is interested in earning money online, or something similar. Create a YouTube channel with a name relevant to entertain as the fifth stage. You might give the channel a name like Tate Speech or Tate's Formula, for instance, and then begin downloading shorts from other channels to publish on your channel every day. Now, don't forget to give them credit in the description of each shorts video. Doing so will benefit you in two ways. First of all, they will never send you a copyright. Second, YouTube will occasionally start recommending your short videos to its users. You will develop more quickly as a result of this, and the most important thing to remember is to put your affiliate link in the description and the comments of every single short that you upload to your channel. Use their titles and tags as well, so that when one of your YouTube shorts become popular, it will spread like wildfire and all of your other shorts will begin to receive views. This will increase the number of subscribers to your channel and the number of people who click the affiliate link in the video description, which will quickly earn you $10,000.